Okay, welcome to the first half of, of 2025 Progress Update. This is a community presentation to show progress on program plan goals and initiative, and I hope it helps everyone to see what have been achieved for the first half of the year. Just a reminder of 2025 program objective and goals. The first one is vibrant and healthy projects. This is about driving and providing an environment for community health, technical resources, and all the needed support to encourage people to participate within our adopting projects, premier product positioning, um, extend adopting position as an industry top vendor neutral, sort of secure, high quality open source uh, for Java developers, secure software. This is all the work related to secure supply chain development. Advanced development is grow adoption community on other technical integration with upstream projects and also other working groups and Eclipse Foundation projects. This time I have added like a summary of all the achievement for the first half of the year. What went well, congratulations to all the technical contributors for pivoting all the effort to Temer, to finalize the Temeron compliance automation work before the July 1st. Other working group member committed to be part of Temeron compliance project, and we are working on onboarding Fujitsu and Microsoft team as part of the project. We have launched a new website with a new rebranding, more focus on both developers and enterprise user decision makers. And part of this new launch, it also includes the Temeron Sustainer Program, which is the new sponsorship program for Eclipse Temeron. We had different event presence, both targeting community developers and enterprise users. And the team has been developing two new contributors program, one with Google Summer of Code, another a semester of code with a university. Route for improvement, we're always working on that, on the enterprise user conversion into supporters slash sustainers, members, or also bringing back to the community as contributors. Um, Adoption Summit awareness and CFP submission, and also registration. Sharing all milestone update with the community. Usually it should be a quarterly update, and this time I only was able to do the first half of the day. Um, we need more working group members involvement into all the release work, market initiative, and different projects development, and that was very clear when all the technical effort was pivot to the all the Temeron compliance automation work. Just to highlight for this 2025 summary, what we did, we have both a strategy and objective for each of the goals, and I will try to report on the bold sentences that is easy to highlight all the items done by the community and all the team related to those objectives, to fill those objectives. So for private and healthy projects, the working group members and the steering committee agree on measuring how many active projects uh, the working group has, and in this year was 4. How many commits authors we had, and this is a year to date for the first half of the year was 63. Unique committers is how many real persons were committed to the project, and year to date was 17. And builds for each release. One goal of the working group was to clean on how many release, how many builds was included on each release and why, and how can build the process improve to rely on what really the community needs and how the working group offer that. and other collaboration projects. As said, all the effort were dedicated to the term and compliance process, and which is also an excellent goal for the community. Support regarding supporting adopting community. This objective was linked to having new contributors and also having the way we show the information. So that's why having the GSOC and semester of code was good initiative for this, and also the release of the new website that includes two new contributors that were helping to release the website. One is a freelance that have been helping with the website since last year, and another one was a member of Open Elements. Information dissemination. We have some lighting talks. We always do the release awareness. We have created a new section of top contributors promotion. For the first half of the year, we have Lan, Lonju, and Sophia. We are also promoting new contributors' work done to the community as Christopher Lumu, and this is part of the Global South initiative. Um, all the GitHub project plan for this year, and the new labels and tags, and the social media campaigns that we're also promoting: Adoptium Summer project, webinar, the Sustainer program, Java Turn 30, and any other initiative that it needs amplification. Improving sharing milestone is the new project plan. And we also need to do some housekeeping on publishing some information from the steering committee. Um, so these are some screenshots from who was contributed and which project for both Q1 and Q2. Just for reference, and here we're also measuring, this is a new metrics board that will be also available for Eclipse Foundation members. So everyone can track these new metrics and the Q2 progress. So the next goal, the premier product positioning, again, following the same strategy, we're highlighting the objectives about releasing on time and quality, all the marketing material to talk about our projects, the new Adoptium website, and represent Adoptium at significant events. These are the metrics we agree, the steering committee agree on measuring for success for 2025. We have seen cumulative growth of downloads, a total of 123 for 2025. A steady growth. The percentage of total delivery, we are on track both in the percentage and the day for primary and secondary. And in case we have a delay on the release, it was also registered and justified among all the community. And the same for, we are also tracking marketplace engagement, and with all the work done for the website awareness and the different projects, we have seen also an increase on engagement for the marketplace, at least for page view. In March, we achieved the 2022 million monthly download. And for marketing material, also other technicals and related with quality, there is a summary of all the Q1 work done regarding Aquabit and all the progress done there, and also there is improvement done by the community. For marketing material, we had our annual press release. The call to action was to promote the Mono Sustainer program. And we're also working on a case study, a membership case study, talking about why enterprises, users support, financially support Adoption as a working group. The new website was finally released late May, and that release also include a migration to a new system, Next.js, a month after, and representing Adoption in a significant event. We have both talks, booth, event attendance, community support, like different strategies and contribution to this objective. This is a screenshot of the terminal downloads and highlighting the achievement in March and the measure of the marketplace page view and the impact on the release on the new website. And event presses, this was the Q1 event presses. This time we're also reporting on what was the target audience for each of the events and how was adopting support on each of these events. Like it was a community present, it was a shared booth or a talk or etc. So you have all the details here. Regarding the secure software goal, again, we're highlighting all the enhancement work that the community proposed to deliver in 2025. There have been some work done regarding enhancement and security. This was thanks to the semester of college students. You can track progress on the different epics, and also there's been for secure software criteria, we're waiting for both the criteria to be updated or to review others criteria. And again, the community is working again with this initiative, but for the first half of the year, all the effort was well invested in the term compliance automation process. For advanced development, back in the day, the working group agreed on different strategies and objectives, and the process is similar to other initiative that it was linked to release improvement and term compliance effort. For membership and sponsorship growth, this is a separate metric because it's related to the enterprise user conversion. We have lost a strategic member, Huawei. Even though at the beginning of the year we lost a financial sponsor, we gained that sponsor back with a new program. And we also changed some financial sponsorship for in-kind, and we are looking to compensate some of the in-kind sponsorship with a new one. Yes, we're working on we already have the new web design redesign. We're working on improving all the become a member and become a sustainer, like how to contribute and support opens the working group. We're working internally on the pipeline on how we are reaching all these enterprise users with a new program, and all the event presses. We agreed to focus on enterprise conversion for the rest of the year. Marketing review. You have here all the detail if you want to go back to this part. And as a summary, it's a long detail. This is how we support all the program work with the marketing goals. For 2025, we agree on membership and sponsorship growth, increase project awareness and brand awareness. These are all the initiatives we have been developing by quarter, and all the ongoing initiative in this column are all the ongoing initiative that we need to work on a monthly basis to support all the goals. And these are also the metrics for each of the different initiatives, like content creation, press release, analyst release, social media. As we're targeting enterprise users, we're very focused on LinkedIn, on how we measure engagement with this profile of users. Other digital, the website performance, as we have a new website and event presence, different event present, and if we put the effort on doing different approach like lighting talks, webinar, having this online, etc., etc. And what is next? As mentioned, the summary of the first half of the year is the additional work to cover the demands of the term compliance project. Congratulations to all the team. And for Q3, we want to focus on optimizing of the release process, continue with all the projects we had as part of the pipeline, and continue with enterprise user awareness and conversion with the different programs we have ongoing. And thank you.